cat lovers. Do you hate scooping your cat's litter box every day? Do you wish there was a better way to keep your home clean and odor-free? Well, today we're reviewing the Litter Robot 4 from Whisker, the smartest litter box ever made. It's so smart, it can clean itself, monitor your cat's health, and even talk to your phone. But is it really worth the price? And will your cat like it? Let's find out. This smart litter box does all the dirty work for you. It works with any clumping cat litter and has no rakes that can get stuck. It has a huge fan base of customers who love how it saves them time, money, and hassle.
The reason I didn't want to get a cat was because I've heard stories about people just, getting irritated with just scooping off the litter, everything.
For us, our cats are sort of like family, so we want to know that they have a clean box and a clean environment.
And I finally said, okay, I'm going nuts. We'll give this a try.
With Litter Robot, we just use once a week. So easy, it's so convenient, just change it and then hand it over to him to dump it.
So we got the Litter Robot, and it immediately was a win for the family and a big win for me.
So we got a Litter Robot 2, and when the Litter Robot 3 came out, we got 2 of those. And now we graduated to Litter Robot 4. And every time we've used them, they've gotten better and better and better, saved us a lot of time.
The time it saves in your day-to-day life is so worth it. I can't say that enough.
It also keeps your home smelling fresh with an airtight seal and a bigger waste drawer than the previous model. And it has an app that lets you keep track of your cat's litter box habits. But before you buy one, you need to know a few things. First, this litter box is big and heavy, so you'll need some space and a solid surface to put it on. It's about the size of a small fridge and weighs about 24 pounds. It has a round globe that spins to separate the waste from the clean litter, and a rectangular base that holds the waste drawer and the control panel. Second, it's super easy to set up and use. You just plug it in, fill it with litter, and turn it on. The device will do a self-test cycle to make sure everything is working fine. Then, you can customize the settings to your liking, such as the cycle timer, the night light, and the sleep mode. Third, this litter box works by using a weight sensor that starts a cleaning cycle after your cat leaves the globe. The globe rotates and dumps the clumps into the waste drawer, while keeping the clean litter inside. The globe then goes back to its original position, ready for the next use. Litter Robot can handle multiple cats, as long as they weigh more than 5 pounds each. It can fit up to 15 pounds of litter and up to 21 cycles before you need to empty the waste drawer. The waste drawer has a carbon filter and a plastic liner that help reduce odors and make disposal easy. Litter Robot 4 starts at $699. You'll also need to buy new filters and liners from time to time. But you'll save money on litter, as it uses less than a regular litter box. So is this litter box worth it? Well, that depends on your budget and your needs. If you want a hassle-free way to keep your cat's litter box clean and odor-free, and you want some extra features and benefits, then this litter box might be for you. It's convenient, effective, and time-saving, and it can make your cat happier and healthier. But if you're on a tight budget or you're happy with your current litter box solution, then you might want to stick with what you have or look for cheaper alternatives. Remember, no litter box is perfect. They can still sometimes break down or jam, and they might not necessarily suit every cat's personality or preference. That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.